Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log into an AOL account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you know guys, that AOL account is basically a New York based app which provides us an internet services. So to simply use it and to know how to log into it, I'm going to show you how to do it today. Today I'm going to use one of the suitable browser to show you, simply going to its own website. But if you want to do it, you can simply do it through an original app as well, which you can easily get to an App Store, Play Store. I'm going to show you how to do it through browser. So I'm going to take and use Chrome for this today by simply tapping on Chrome. You do see that I'm on the homepage of the Chrome where I can type the web address. I'm going to go over here and type aol.com and go to the page of AOL, just like this. This is just the domestic page of AOL over here, you can see. So to log in, all I gotta do is tap on these three parallel lines on the top right corner of the screen. It's like this, and you do have an option of login or join in just next to mail. Tap on it. As you can see, it's being loaded guys, and you do have an option now of using your username, email or mobile to simply sign in or log in, or even to create an account. But I'm going to tap on it and show you how to do it by simply using your phone number. So I'm going to use one of the phone numbers. After this, tap on next option just below it. You can see that if I do have this phone number, I'll be sent with a code. So I'm going to tap on yes, send me a code. The verification code is going to appear, and I can see guys, I do have a message. So this is a particular verification code that was sent by AOL team, and I've simply inserted this. I'm going to tap on verify, just like this. So see guys, that you have an account. So I'm going to tap on Wives Matter. This is my particular account, and okay, I'm going to tap on maybe later for the fingerprint or the face one. So you to simply know that I have been logged in to my own profile, and this is my personal profile, and this is my personal homepage as well. So I can simply show it by going to these three parallel lines again and tapping on this. So you can see this is Alex over here. This is my particular profile as well. So this is how you log into an AOL account guys, how you do it. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.